electric field at the axis of a ring. Suppose this is a ring, this is center of the ring and this is the axis of a ring. Let us take a point. See, this is the ring, you know, everyone knows it is a ring, and this is the center of the ring. From the center of the ring, this is the axis. At any point, we want to know what is the potential due to this continuous charge distribution. What is continuous charge distribution? In electrostatics itself, we have seen continuous means charge is continuously distributed over the entire body. So in the ring, a charge is given, it is continuously distributed over the entire surface of the ring. Now we want to find out, let us take a small element having a charge dq, because the total charge is equal to q. So we can take this also dq. See, in this here you can see, you take a small portion here of small length and it will have, this will have a charge of total charge of q plus q, and this will have a portion of the charge which we call it as a dq. Now we can see, let us take a small length of the ring having a small charge dq, small in this portion. So this is the radius of the ring and this is the point x at which we are interested to find out potential. So dq, so it means this dq will behave as point charge. Point charge means the potential due to point charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge divided by distance. This is the general formula, potential at a point. So this is a point charge and we are interested, due to this point charge, we are interested to find out what is the potential due to this point charge at this place. So we will write this, we call it as a distance r. So the small amount of potential at point P. At point, we call this point as a P. So ring is giving electric field also, and we want to find out what is the ring due to the small portion of the charge at this point, and hence we will calculate what is the potential due to entire ring at this point. So point due to amount at point P is dV, because a portion only it will give, or we can say it, dV is equal to, what is V? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 0. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, instead of charge, because it is a point charge of charge dq volume divided by distance is equal to, this can be taken as q into dq. What is the value of distance? Distance is r, where r is equal to, Pythagoras theorem will use d square plus d square, that is r square plus x square under root. Using Pythagoras, this distance is equal to d square plus d square under root. So this is equal to r square plus x square under root. So we want to find out potential is equal to potential due to entire ring. Potential due to entire ring. Entire ring means we have found out this is the potential due to small portion of the ring, and we want to find out the potential due to the entire ring. See, small portion we have find out for a small portion. Now we want to find out the entire ring. Entire ring means what? We will integrate, add up all the small potential on the surface. That is, integrate dV is equal to integration of dV is equal to K into dq divided by r square plus x square. So we can take K into r square plus x square under root. We can take it out because these are also, if this is fixed, this also fixed. So this is a constant. We can take integral of dq. What is the integration of total charge? This is having a small portion of charge, portion of charge. So total, if you add up everything, integration of all the charge is equal to total charge. So V is equal to K into Q. Integration of dq is equal to Q by r square plus x square to the power 1 by 2, or we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by under root r square plus x square. This is the expression for potential due to total ring. So in this we can deduce one more conditions also. What condition? If the point P is at the center, it means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, if the point is at center, if the point P is at center of ring, then x is equal to 0. Therefore, potential at the center of the ring, is equal to x is equal to 0. Since x is equal to 0, and this becomes 0, under root r square is equal to r. So Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. This is nothing but as if. It means what? This is the potential due to a point charge which is located at a distance r. It means we can say if the point comes from here to here, we can assume that entire point is behaving as a point charge which is located at this point. This entire charge distribution will behave as a point charge at the center, so that the potential expression is reduced to potential due to a point charge.